Hi, it's attorney Andrew Mishlove, and we're about to do an experiment on blood testing equipment. I'm starting with a Tritech Forensics blood test kit. This is used in legal blood draws. It's different from medical blood draws. I'm going to open this test kit. I've previously broken the seal. You can see there's various labels. There are packaging. Here are the vials, which have an expiration date and a lot number and a needle. But the thing I'm interested in today is the antiseptic wipe. You see, what I have found is that the people who draw blood in legal blood draws are used to doing medical blood draws with alcohol swabs, ethanol swabs. Those dry very quickly, and they're really good antiseptics. The problem is you can't use an ethanol swab when you're testing for ethanol. So they use these. This is povidone iodine or betadine, which is water-based. It takes a lot longer to dry. And they need to let it dry in order for it to be effective. I have seen most phlebotomists will wipe it with the povidone iodine and insert the needle within 20, 30 seconds because that's what they're used to doing. But it's really not appropriate. It takes a minute or two in this case. So here we go. I am opening the povidone iodine swab. It's kind of yellow and icky looking and wet. I'm going to swab my arm right here. See? Okay. I've been on this tape now for 1 minute and 48 seconds when I did this. We're going to see how long it takes for this to dry. And I'm going to wipe my hands because this is quite a mess. It's not dry yet. I can feel it. You can see it smearing. Still not dry. I can feel the wetness on my skin. It's not smearing as much, but it's tacky to the touch. Still tacky to the touch. Not smearable though. This stuff takes a lot longer to dry than the ethanol swab, and it has to be dry before they can insert the needle. Still a minute. Still tacky, less tacky. I still feel the wetness here. We're up to I would say it's dry now. 3 minutes and 10 seconds on my counter, which makes it a little bit less than a minute and a half totally. So if you have a legal blood draw and the phlebotomist inserts that needle before this stuff is completely dry, they haven't properly cleansed the wound site. There's a potential for contamination of the sample, and that can cause a false high test result. And phlebotomists will often do that because, remember, they're used to using the ethanol swabs that dry in 30 seconds. This is Andrew Mishlove, Mishlove and Stuckert. We are board certified attorneys in the defense of accusations of impaired driving.